Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Zikri Nandi from class 2G English Education University of Mataram. So today I will present a research on 21 first century skill including creativity, critical thinking, communications and collaborations from a journal with the title Assessment, Certifications, and Promotion of 21 First Century Skill by Brandon Thornhill Mirror, and published in the Journal of Intelligence in 2023. This presentation, is part of my final exam for the intermediate oral communications oral communication course. Okay, so let's start the presentations. Okay, to the next slide is the agenda what we gonna present today, and here's is the agenda for our presentation today. So the first is the background. So let's start with the background first, the background of the material. Okay, so here's the background. 21 first century skills have become crucial due to the changing needs of the modern workforce. According to the Future of Job report by World Economic Forum in 2020, up to 50% of employees will need reskilling by 2025. So, in the modern workplace, technology and work methods are constantly improving. To stay relevant and competitive, employees need skills that can adapt to this change. Skill as creativity, critical thinking, and communications and collaborations are key to facing the future challenge. Okay. So we must understanding what is the four century skill century skill, and okay, understanding the four century skill. So what is the four century skill? Let's delve deeper into the element of the four century skill. Creativity allow us to think outside of the box and find innovative solutions, and critical thinking help us to evaluate information objectively. And effective communication is crucial for conveying ideas and working together. And collaborations is the ability to work in teams, which is a vital in the modern work environment. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. Start with the creativity. The creativity ability. Okay, remote associated test or ERT measure the ability to make association between seemingly unrelated concepts. The alternative use text or AUT assess creativity by asking individuals to find alternative uses for common objects. Institutions can support creativity by creating environment that facilitate creative thinking, teaching creativity techniques, and promoting creativity habits among students or staff. I mean. Okay. The second is the critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to assess the validity of information and arguments. Critical thinking is essential for evaluating information and making sound decisions. The California Critical Thinking Skill Test and the Western Cluster Critical Thinking are tools used to assess this ability. Institutional support includes designing curriculum that emphasize the critical thinking, explicitly teaching the skill and fostering a culture of questions and skepticism. Okay. The third ability is or the third skill is the communications. Okay. First, the communication is the essence of informations and the ability to express oneself clearly and effectively. Effective communication is crucial in various aspects of life. Individual assessment can be conducted through questionnaires, role-playing scenarios, and observational assessment. Institutions can support communication skill development through a specialist training program, providing effective feedback mechanisms and effective real-world practice opportunity. Okay, and the next is the last ability is collaborations. Collaborations is ability to work effectively with others to achieve common goals. In increasingly common complex work environment, the ability to collaborate with others is critical. Individual assessment in collaboration includes evaluating teamwork skill, conflict resolution ability, and contribution to group tasks. Institutions can support collaboration through a group project, fair learning opportunity, and fostering collaborative cultures. Okay. Is the last of the four CS or 4 central skill, and let's move to the assessment and certifications. Assessment and certifications of 4 central skills are crucial to ensuring the student genuinely develop the skill. Standard assessment help us objectively measure student progress. Certifications provide formal recognition of the skill achieved and promotion within the educational system, ensure that the development of 4 CCS integrate into the educational curriculum. Okay. Okay. So that's about the assessment and classification of 4 central school. And okay, let's move to the next slide. Is the ICD framework. Okay, so is the International Institute for Competency Development atau or ICD has developed a 4 central skill assessment system for both a formal and informal educational program. These include labelizations and benchmarking of educational institutions to ensure they meet a standard in developing 4CS skill. Okay, so this help institutions to identify areas for improvement and provide guidance for continuous enhancement. Like that. Okay, so what is the challenge and maybe this have a features opportunity for us. So right here is the challenge and features challenge of 4CS skill or central skill. Implementing and teaching the 4 central skill is not without a challenge. Teaching this ability, teaching this skill requires innovative approach and strong institutional approach and strong institutional support. However, there are many future opportunity to including the use of dynamic interactions model, new technology like AI and VR, and future research to understand the best ways to develop the skill. Okay, so in the next slide is we're gonna conclude what. So let's move to the next slide, next section. So here's the conclusions of about the 4th century skill and 21 4th century skill. In conclusions, we can see the importance of 4CS skill in preparing for the future of work and education, and systematic approach to assessment and promotions of this skill in necessary and educational institutions play a crucial role in the supporting development of 4th century skill or 4CS development of 4CS. Okay, so thank you. This is the last of my presentations, and this is all of my presentations. Okay, let me introduce my name again. My name is Chris Nandi, with numbering E1D02310240 from class 2G English Education Program in University of Mataram. So this concludes my presentations for a final exam in the intermediate oral communication course. This concludes my presentation, and thank you for your attention. I hope the information I have shared is useful and provides a new insight into the importance of 21 first century skill. I say goodbye and maybe see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.